Today on the menu, teriyaki chicken. This is a soy and gluten-free recipe, but you're not going to miss it. Let's start by making the sauce. Add some minced garlic to some coconut oil in a pot. Then add a tablespoon of ginger. Make sure to stir this up and infuse the oil with these flavors. Now add some sesame seeds and stir it up some more. We are now going to add our coconut aminos and our rice wine vinegar. Let these ingredients simmer together, and every time it starts to bubble up a little bit, give it a good stir. For our sweetness, we're going to add some honey. And for some tang, we're going to add some lime juice. Let these ingredients simmer together, and then to speed up the process, we're going to add some coconut flour. This is going to help thicken our teriyaki sauce, and you can control how thick your teriyaki is by how much coconut powder you add. Let the coconut flour cook in and stir it periodically. Once you have your desired thickness, go ahead and take it off the heat. Let's get started on our chicken. Go ahead and season this with pepper, garlic, onion powder, and sesame seeds. Here's a little hack for you. This is everything bagel seasoning. It has all those ingredients. Then transfer these to the oven to bake for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. When you pull them out, give them a good coat of teriyaki sauce on all sides. Put these back in the oven and cook them for an additional 15 to 20 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. And now your teriyaki chicken is ready to serve. Still hungry? Check my best homemade hamburger helper recipe.